Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Here today we have a 2021 G23 that just came in. This is the beautiful Admiral Blue metal flake. Looks really, really nice when it's nice and sunny. It really pops. And we got white bottom and then a white hull side as well. We come down to the back for 2021, nice redesign. Massive NSS plates, those were changed for 2021. We did opt this with the steer assist. It does have a nice new swim platform, nice grab handle, a couple cup holders, and then just like in 2020, we have the nice seats in the back. Well, this is the interior of the boat. We opted this one with the Admiral Blue to match the outside with the white trim around it, and then some gray in there as well. Looks really, really nice, really classy. We opted it with the one pair of 8/8 JL drivers up on top with the down lighting. We got the bimini. We did the 450 horsepower PCM with 465 torque. We've got seating all the way around. You've got a seat that pulls up here, one pulls up here, and then the bench pulls out as well, so everybody can look back. We've got the 12.4-inch link pen array. The lighting is turned on. This is the lighting package, so you can change all the different colors of the lights and everything. We did the heated seats all around and the heater in this, and then we did in the bow, we did the bow filler cushion as well. This boat's pretty well loaded. It is ready to go and be demoed. So if you have any questions, give us a call here in Rogers. And as always, click the like button and click to subscribe.